Have you been wondering how you can make your onion powder that is not caking? Today I brought you this recipe. Only one ingredient is needed for this recipe and you are good to go. Just watch this video till the end and you will gain a lot. So here, this is very super easy to make. So all you need to do is just get your onions ready. So I'll be using all these onions to do this job, and I have my vegetable slicer that I'll be using to slice this onion into thin form. You can see this slicer is very good. So if you have it, this is very easy to use. And why it's important for you to slice it into thin form, because when you are drying it up, it's so easy to get dry. So hope you will get to try this. You can see how thin it is. So I'll be doing the rest of the onion. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. So remember to subscribe, follow my page, and like my video, comment and share. Here I'll be using this dehydrator to dry this onion. So just as I told you, you need to slice it into a thin form so that it's easier to dehydrate. So I'll be layering them layer by layers. So this is very easy to make and you will like it after you have achieved the final version of it. This is very good. Hope you'll get to try this recipe. With this, you don't need to buy onion powder anymore. At least this is 100%. There is joy when you can make your own thing. Why don't you give it a try? So even if you don't have dehydrator, you can use your oven. All you need to do is to lower the temperature and you will get it right. So remember to like and love my video, comment and please share so that others will see and gain the same knowledge as you're doing. So now I will be dehydrating it on this is 55 degrees Celsius for 15 hours. So hope you get to try this. This is after 15 hours. You can see my onions is already dried, very crunchy. So crunchy. So I'll be putting them into my bowl to get ready for blending it. I use about 12 medium size of onions for this, and you can see It's already downsized. So I use this blender to blend this because this will not blend it into fine powder. So I prefer not to make it into fine powder because I don't want it to cake. So that's why I'm blending it with this blender. You can see it's already downsized. So in the market sometimes they will show you, oh, this is powdered onions. So check the quantity and check what we got from it. So here you can see how it looks like. This is so good. The aroma is everywhere. Hope you'll get to try this. So I'm bottling it into my GLAATORY spice bottle. So you can see. So this is part of my product. So soon I'll be introducing some of my products to you. Thank you for watching, and follow and subscribe for more video. See you on my next video. Bye.